today I'm gonna name my flags. This is, look at this. This is Libya. This is Norway. This is Thailand. This is Northern Mariana Islands. This is Slovakia. This is Palau. This is Poland. This is, look, that's NATO. This is organization and Sabai's country nation. This is anxiety attack.
Hindi yun, anxiety attack.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you sure that's Thailand? That one?
Yeah.
Really?
Yes po.
Okay. Pagi na.
Look.
The third flag.
No. There's a white.
Yeah, I don't think it's Thailand. You check it again, okay?
Okay.
Oh, you say bye-bye first to your guys.
Oh.
Come here.
Bye-bye, guys. Thank you for watching my video.
Yeah.
Subscribe to my channel. Bye.
You tell them you're gonna check Thailand if it's correct.
I'm gonna check Thailand if it's correct, okay?
Okay.